which brings up a point.
Introducing the challengers first.
Gold
He
championship
weighed in
match.
at 235 pounds. This is the Dirty Daddy, Chris Dickinson. Introducing next, hailing from Nutley, New Jersey, weighing in at 225 pounds, Anthony Bowens. And introducing their opponent, hailing from the Dirty Orchards, my apologies, hailing from the Rotten Orchards, he is the WrestlePro Gold Champion, Matt Macintosh.
Here we go. We are set for action here. The main event of Shotgun Thursday night. Triple threat contest. Excuse me. Those chops were so hard, even it took my breath away. A reversal from Anthony Bowens, a knee into the stomach. And a knife edge chop to the back, more of like a tomahawk chop. Swings wildly. Don't know if he got all that. Nice sequence here. Bad Apple stops the 5-2 player. Uh-oh, into a submission. Matt Macintosh throwing in some submissions here. Trying to get this over and done with quickly. High up and over by Matt Macintosh, into a hip toss, cartwheel, into a super kick, into a standing moonsault. The athleticism of Matt Macintosh is surreal. Knife edge chops between Matt Macintosh. A springboard double missile drop kick by Chris Dickinson. Chris Dickinson. Here he comes. One, another one, two, another one, three, another one, four, another one, five, another one. He misses. Catches a wild enziguri, misses. Angle type slam by Anthony Bowens. Catches Dickinson with a super kick into a twisting suplex. Anthony Bowens looks like he's gaining some momentum. I think he knows what it's going to take to put Chris Dickinson away. Going for Macintosh. Kick. Matt Macintosh with a tilt-a-whirl DDT using the corner. Chris Dickinson looks like he had his bell rung pretty hard. Macintosh waiting just a second too long to put away Anthony Bowens. Matt Macintosh grabbing a hold here, trying to wear down Anthony Bowens. What tool will Bowens pull out of his tool belt to counteract this? Here comes Chris Dickinson. His arm kicked away. Matt Macintosh. And a basement drop kick to the floor. Once again, getting rid of Chris Dickinson. He has not been able to get out of the gate here. Back to Bowens and Macintosh. Trading chops left and right here. Another one. Another one. Going for the apple slicer. Catches a wicked back elbow that just stuns Anthony Bowens. Into the ropes and into a face buster. Something new we haven't seen here. And a kick out by Bowens. Still showing some life here. Another standing switch here. Uh-oh. Chris Dickinson. Oh, what a combination. And a super kick right, what looks to have maybe caught the side of his head or his shoulder. All three competitors are down. Who's going to pull this one out? Into a clothesline, into a DDT. Didn't get all of it. Into a DVD. There's Dickinson just like a madman. And a twisting reverse sort of fall-away slam. Interesting, incredible moves by Anthony Bowens. Unbelievable. Oh, goes to throw Dickinson outside. The reversal. Bowens goes outside. Dickinson lands on his feet. Ducks. Nails Bowens, who falls to the floor again. Here comes Matt Macintosh. Dickinson catches him. Wild side kick right to the side of the head. Enziguri by Matt Macintosh. This is a flurry. I can't even keep up. Hangman's what seems to look like a type of a one-winged angel. And the cover. What a match.
Here's your winner, and still
Anthony Bowens retains.
Champion, Matt Macintosh.
What a night.